Hey, what's up, YouTube? So finally, today is the day. The day is over. So I got today at about 2:30. Got my two games, my Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2. So I bought these two over the Walmart online for like 69 and what, let's say $70. One for me, one for my son, and extra bonus. It came with this control freak thumbstick for your controller, and here is two of these badass, and this is being installed on a Xbox One S. So this is the space what it will take. It will take about 165.8 gigabyte. No, that's my internal memory. So it's gonna take. I already installed like about 50 gigs. The installation is like about between 50 gigs, and then on top of that, there's some updates and packs that you need to install. So this will take a lot of space on your console. So if you have any other game that you readily play, just uninstall it because this one will take pretty much your whole hard drive in your console. And this Xbox is that's 1 terabyte hard drive in it. Oh, here it is. Let's install this and we'll see. I'll walk you through it. You'll see this. It will install. So the main game is 48.1 gig campaign, 28, let's say 29 gig co-op, 5 gig multiplayer. Multiplayer will be almost 9 gig, and Warzone 2 gonna be 6.2 6.2 gigs, and uh, the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 content pack one, that's 10 megabyte. So I give you a quick look. This is the main, almost let's say 50 gig, rounded up, 20 29, 4.9. That's 5, 9, and let's say 7, and those are megabytes. So those are very probably like about 100 and 100 10, 20, 30, 40, like 50, 60 megabytes. So we're gonna I selected all already. uh and then okay, select all, and then gonna go ahead and save changes, and all these will be installed. So we're starting at 34 gigs, and that's the speed that is downloading at about 300 megabytes per second. So at about 14 minutes. And yep, I'm gonna put my controller to charge right there. Ready? And just gonna wait. That's a 385 gigs. That's a good speed. So let's say 30, 35, 34, 34 gigs right here on this thing. So we'll see. I hope you guys are enjoying and you know being happy about this game. I mean, there also gonna be bugs and glitches. We all gonna go through it. Uh, so both of this game was $150. This was free and free delivery uh, through FedEx Home, and it's really nice. Uh, I was reading a lot of blogs, and I was watching videos on YouTube that there was people that haven't that they had a game CD that it came with only 72 or 100 megabytes. I was like pissed off at the beginning, but I was like, I hope mine doesn't come like that. And no, I don't know. They didn't explain. That was for PS4, but I don't know if PS5 is the same thing. But like I said, I mean, is just I believe this game is this is about 50 to 60 gigs in the CD, and the rest you will download it from the server. Or I might be wrong. It might be like 150 or 60 gigs on the DVD. And honestly, it's hard to tell. Like you need special software in order for to check what's the capability that this CD can handle. So yeah, it's a set right here, and just gonna wait to finish it up about 12 minutes. While it does that, my controller is already charged because I was charging already. So I'm gonna go out of there, and I'm gonna go to uh I gotta go to settings and see how much space I have on my hard drive storage device. Uh, this is the space that I have. Internal storage 120 gigs, free out of 781 gigs. Formatted for games and apps, and yep, that's that's the space I have left over. 120 gigs. So that means I gotta uninstall some of this game because pretty much anything on my console is all Call of Duty. Uh, see, all this are my games and that, and I got Apex Legend, Halo Infinite, and Sega Genesis. That's all I got. But this one, these are small, like small storage games. This one probably is 10, 20, or 20. This one is like 2 or 3 gigs, maybe 10, probably. I'm not sure. I haven't looked into it, but in case I run out of space, I will have to delete this and this and this, and should be good for the rest of the life of the Xbox One S because there's at the next console gen advance, it will the bigger the game will be. So I'm installing me right there. Updating at a 200 megabits per second, 10 gigs out 34. And I got This is the only one that's being installed. The other one they will install one by one. Yeah, I don't think it will install any. I mean, everything at one shot because you would need like at least like I don't know 5 to 10 gig network speed. There's no way we can get that kind of speed. I mean, I got 1 gig download speed and 40 megabytes per second upload. So uh, so just wait. You gotta install one by one. It's gonna take a while to update all this. Okay, so this game has a 6 pack. I hope it would be a beer, a 6 pack of beer. But I just there's content pack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all this gonna be installed one by one, and yeah, I'm gonna. This is gonna be a short video for like about 15 minutes, and then once the next pack comes on and it's time for me to update it, I will make another video. So and we're gonna go through this. I have a very I'm a very one of my buddy already messaged me, but can't do anything. I'm a tech savvy person, so just if you have any issues, I got I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. Uh, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Uh, and I work every day, and I as soon as I get a chance, I will reply back to your message if you're running through any issues installing the game or through your Xbox, or maybe you have a network issues. So just please just like, share, and subscribe my video. I will really appreciate your help. I'm trying, like I said, I'm trying to grow my channel. As you see, I don't upload that many videos constantly because I have a full time job, and it doesn't give me the opportunity for me to make as much as videos as I want to make. So on Saturday and Sunday, I'm off. So Friday when I'm off work, I started like working in something like projects, like on my network or anything uh, that I need. And if I feel like it's a good project, I'll make a video of it. But like I said, uh, just just hit me up through the YouTube message, or I will open a Telegram group so you guys can join there, and we can we can talk, or you need help setting and anything. So thank you for watching and have a good day.